Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljit. I have here John Deere S130 riding lawnmower. We will talk about a quick startup guide. When you buy a new one, there's a couple things you need to know and you might be also wonder to know how to use. First and really important thing, I want to talk about the blades running at the bottom. The tractor belt, if you're sitting on tractor and you're using, the blades are running, and if you try to get up the seat, this tractor will shut down. But only problem when somebody try to reach you, they can put feet under the blade and it's not safe. So make sure when you are using this tractor, nobody come close to you. So now let's start how to use John Deere S130. Let's jump to here. If you see, there's a couple buttons and we need to know first there's a small display to show you how many hours this tractor have in run, and there is a key switch stop. Then you have to turn the light on and you can start your tractor. To start your tractor, first you need to choke the tractor. Here the yellow lever at the bottom, it's like a slow speed. Here is high. If you really see, when you push like this, it's like choke, but you cannot keep here. You have to choke, and then you need to flip your key switch all the way to start. And once your tractor is start, you can let the choke go, and tractor will be at the full throttle, and then you can low as much you want. Second thing, to start your tractor, you also have to have a parking brake. Right now I have a parking brake. I let it go to park brake, or you have to push the brake to start, or you can push the brake and pick this lever up. As you can see, unlock to push down, lock to up. Here another thing, yellow button. If you see, there's a gear icon on the top. At the bottom you can see you push down is off, push up is on. That means when you push up, your lawnmower blade will be activated. When you pick up, when you push down, blade will be turned off. And this side you have a cruise. If you see, there's two pedals, one to go forward, one to go reverse. You can only put cruise system when you press forward, and you can pick up, it will set to the speed you have. For reverse, if your lawnmower is running, blade is running, you cannot reverse. It will not go reverse. In order to reverse, you have another yellow button this side. You want to cut grass while you're reversing, you have to press, and then you can reverse, and your tractor will go and reverse. Now from here, everything we have talked already, and this lever is about your cutting depth. If you see, at the bottom is 1 and the top is 4, so you can cut from 1 inch to 4 inch. You only need to move this one, and then you can see, if like say you want to cut like 2 inch, you can put here, and your blade depth is like 2 inch. You can, the lowest you can cut 1 inch, and highest is 4 inch. The back side have a really nice seat. You can pick up, and you will be access to the gas tank. It takes standard 87 octane gas. I'm not sure how much gas was. I filled with the 3 gallon. This side I have like a cup holder and small box to keep your tools. That's all we have on this side. Here on the back side, there's also a one stainless steel pin. If you see here like an arrow, if you pull out, you will be able to push by hand. If you push in, you will be able to drive. This one is activating and deactivating transmission. Like say if I push right now, it will not go. Now let's make sure we have released the brake. So still it does not move. So if you pull out, and you will be push this tractor like easy. I choose the S series, the smallest tractor, S130. There's also cheaper one, S120 and S100. Same cutting blade. It's like a 42-inch. The cutting lawnmower at the bottom. Why I choose this one? This one is a little better than S100, S120. A little bit expensive. The better is the seat is more comfortable. Also, it have a 30-second oil change like here. Other S120 and S100, you have to use a lot of tools and take some time to change oil, but this will be really quick and easy. Let's look into the motor. Here, there's no lock or anything. You can just pick up the front hood. You will be able to access the motor, oil filter, battery, everything here. It's a 22 horsepower, 724 cc. Anytime you open, you need to make sure there is some plastic clips. They're not glued or screwed. They can be fall down. Just make sure. So as it's new, I don't have to do nothing. We're gonna just close. And today we will be start using this lawnmower. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.